The hero again, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Here we go again. Here we go again. Hey, Dremota. Hey, TB-chan. Hey, Nick. Hello, guys. Hello. How are you doing? Time to go again. Time to get some of that Godotin going. A little bit of Godotin. This time. I'd get some like soundtracks and stuff, preferably with no like ads rolling on them to get in the background. Because like Red Alert soundtrack for some reason has like a shitload of ads on it. A shitload. That's not very good. That's not a good option. Guess Transistor yesterday was kinda alright. Could do that. Need to pick some. Annual tournament is also nice always. Just I guess not to blast the same through the whole stream every day. I guess. Especially since tomorrow also our game show. Gonna get some music is then too. I can go Oblivion also, I guess. That's a cozy one. Alright, so let's get this stuff going. So like a little bit, probably less than yesterday. Yesterday was a little more than I planned. A little more, just to not fuck my schedule up completely. Because I already went to bed kinda late. Because after stream need to chill a bit. I need to get them Fortnite dailies, man. To get that power armor. So yeah, I was kinda late at bed time yesterday because of that. Not very good. Alright, so let's get that Godot going. Start it up. Start it up. Alright, let's get other músicas. Let me see. I feel like Oblivion also gonna be like full of odds or something. And Bastion also. Getting the Bastion stuff. But the Bastion.
Listen,
On that we can. Alright, let's go.
takes a lot of getting used to. And you do get used to it.
Alright. That will do. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, whoop. There it is. Oh, there it is. Alright, so yesterday we stopped at the dominant generation that we got yesterday going. So the full set of dominoes generated that way. And then they gonna go in the stock. That's just kind of like for the sake of displaying them, I guess, this way. And just so we could see if they actually, you know, did get created. See if we did create them. And we did them. They all got created right. So that is good. At least that did work yesterday. That was insane progress. And now today we're gonna get the hand. I'm gonna get sort of the hand that we're gonna be drawing those in. So we need to get some sort of like list of these dominoes. Or then we get some random ones from there multiple times. I don't remember how much you need actually. Let me see. Was it like 5 you draw first? Or is it more? Let me check. Now depends, I guess, how many people playing. Well, we're gonna have like our own little rules there. So I guess we could go with 5. We could start with 5. Get 5 going, and then we'll be doing stuff with those 5, and then like drawing more if needed. So gotta get like handy here. And build the list out of all the dominoes and pick the random ones, and then we need to make them kind of move into the hand. Well, in the best way, probably kind of, you know, like smoothly just going this way. And that will be a dink way to do it. That will be a dink way to do it. Utan the other, the Pogish for TikTok. True. Well, that's why you need to actually to get the smooth movement. We had that in the Unity project actually. We actually did have that with some movement. The slow, you know, like what was the name? Kind of like clicking in the slot also. The smoothness and everything. So you're gonna get that. You need to get that here too, sorta. At least some of it. But the opposite of what TikTok wants. Well, I mean, smooth in terms of like looks, you know, kind of like cool looking, I guess. Can speed it up probably. Can speed it up. Maybe that's the case. I just need to get, you know, like everything with potential to like multiply the speed, you know. Maybe that's the way. You can just make everything super fast and flashy. It'll be good. And it will be good. Where's the official Skibidi Gaming dude? Why haven't we seen any of that? Why haven't we seen any of that yet? They're missing the opportunity. They are missing the opportunity. Alright, so another, I guess, a shell that we're making. So, should we just make it into the hand? So we're just doing another one this way, the same way, I guess. But it will be easy to like repurpose the nose later. I'll repurpose the nodes later for that. I'm getting like the same stuff probably, but a little more bright maybe. I feel like you kind of want to snub that stuff, but I guess we'll see. You know, the lines and stuff for that. Ox is trying to chat. That doesn't work. Oh, really? None of the messages going through. Let me see. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I don't really see them. Maybe there is some dink stuff going on. Like yesterday, also Zebra stuff was getting like super filtered there. I wonder. Let me see. Yeah, the YouTube stuff is really good that way. Like super PPG. Let me see. Moderation activity. Will I see it? Will be shown. Okay, let's see this way. Moderation activity will be shown. Community moderation. This will show there. Oh yeah, that's the funny part. Like Hoxer is actually like even an improved users there since last time. What do we try? What do we try to do there? What's the name? What do we try to do? What's wrong with linking? Oh, actually, wait a second. I think I know what's the case. No, not really. Huh. Yeah, there was like top chat and live chat also thingy, but he's not being shown in neither, really. Not so sure. Not so sure. I guess he's on Twitch chat right now. How to even like test that stuff, I wonder. Don't think he's like blocked or something for sure. Yeah, I don't think so. Nothing, yeah. Still not working. Still not working. Okay, but if you can't chat or something, message in wait, the Twitch chat or something maybe. No, I don't see Axer there. Wait, where did you see that he can't? Oh, that his message is not going through. Where did you see that? Where did you see that? Oh, told through Steam actually. Oh. Huh. That's weird, huh? What? You haven't no one seen his messages too? The fuck? How does that work? How does that work? Man, such a big platform in that sense, it's insane. Now, how can one make such a little unfriendly platform, dude, for that? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Says he's trying to chat constantly. Okay. Yeah, the moderation. Okay, 1 second. I can do this. Alright, we're gonna just switch one thing. I don't know. That will change a thing. Let's try this one. Alright. Okay, try now. Try now. That was like some of the like the moderation thingy they're going, but I guess that doesn't change a thing. Yes, that doesn't change a thing. Yeah, the insane shadow bans for something. Maybe you have some third-party things installed. Still nope. Okay, I'm gonna like completely remove it, I guess. That should be the case because it was on yesterday also. None. Don't hold any comments. Try this also. Alright. Okay, let's see. No. Maybe. So like if not now, then it might be actually, I don't know, yeah, YouTube for something maybe, I don't know. Some third-party things or something. We can try like some other channel, some comments or something, I don't know. What is this, man? What is this magic? Yeah, it should be showing everything now, like completely. Like everything is off. Everything should go through. Wish I could see also like if someone is kind of like blocked or something before somehow Some of the bots got him or something. I doubt it though. Because he doesn't show anything blocked there. It's even approved users. Approved. Different browsers even, alright. Ah. That's weird, huh? Yeah, it was fine yesterday though. I was chatting, no problems. What could that be today then? What could that be? Yeah, I don't think I changed like any settings even or something for that. I just like literally repeated the settings from yesterday. That's what I did, eh? Settings. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I would probably notice if he would be like blocked also by the bot and stuff last stream and stuff too at the end. Totally didn't happen this stream because we saw bot going off on Zebra yesterday. Yeah, I don't know what even the confilurk. Alright. The shadow ban chat room, yeah. That's a weird one. That's a weird one. Wonder what can that be? What can that be? I wasn't even like posting much or something yesterday. Using some VPNs or something for some reason, because maybe it's like VPNs can cause that, even on Twitch. Like if there's some VPN or something IP address that is that was used for something, like some of the public VPNs especially, then you can get shadow banned for that shit. Like MK was getting that a lot before with running some VPNs. Like even on Twitch sometimes. Like if you're using VPNs, chances are high that your stuff not gonna be. You can also see chat. Well, yeah, that's normal. That is normal. Weird. Yeah, YouTube in that sense is like so weird, man. Well, I mean, I guess shadow ban on Twitch you also not gonna see. Not using VPN, alright. Because like the only case you get shadow banned on Twitch, I think, is if you use VPN. Like you have some sort of like IP ban, whatever stuff. That's the only case I know on Twitch. What else can cause YouTube to block you? I don't even know, man. Don't even know what that can be. Because yeah, I like changed all the settings and stuff. I don't know. Although yeah, they have the Twitch chat somewhere there. If someone has issues with also chatting, like write in Twitch chat. Or in Discord, let me know. Because yeah, I wonder the fuck is this. That happened a lot. I wouldn't be surprised. Just kind of not Twitch. I mean, YouTube is kind of PPG with this stuff. In general, genuinely PPG platform for live streams, man. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Alright, well, yeah, not sure. Not sure. Guess we just need to roll with it and hope it's not gonna be the case next time. And see what it can be. See what it can be then. YouTube shadow bans during live streams more often? Let's see. I mean, it can be easily like, and like the live streaming works like super little, man. It's a super little one. Like the lurkers counted like shit. Like how much does it show now? Let's see. Analytics. No, it shows 7 right now. Damn son, that's actually like better than it does sometime. That might actually even be kinda true. That actually might be even close true, sorta. But yeah, it does work like trash in that way. And because Zebra is not shadow banned. Yeah, maybe Zebra also. Hard to say. Hard to say. He is, see? He is. It's quite a common niche axer, I see. That's the PPG stuff, because like there is like auto mod also settings and everything. Like I did enable that. But again, like we saw yesterday when Zebra got bonked. You could see how that works. And this invisible shadow banning, I don't know. But yeah, like the live streaming on YouTube is quite a fiesta. Quite a fiesta indeed. Yeah, we'll be also probably doing like the Twitch multicasting, I would assume, for my evening streams. Probably might happen. I will look into it. I'll look into it. Can't see him. Alright, so we get some hand. So where are we gonna be drawing all the stuff in? There's 5 of them. At the God of War dominoes, yeah, basically. So he's just gonna be... well, first we just make the regular dominoes, basically, sorta. And then gonna try to, you know, roguelikeify, bloodify, I guess, them. YouTube will be competitive platform to Twitch. Blood spawn detection system, alright. Alright, so that's a common thing apparently, alright. No, YouTube is not even trying to be competitive to Twitch. Maybe they did at some point, but I think they give up. I think everyone is trying to get into the short form content. No one actually is trying to go in the live streams, I feel. Well, except for like Kick or something, right? But like Kick is not trying to go for any specific format. They just try to get more people to funnel, you know, people on stake basically. So they don't really care about the format. But yeah, I think YouTube is more on the short strain. Maybe potentially, like, I guess, because some of the platforms already saw, you know, how Twitch did in this situation, how Twitch is doing with the ad revenue and everything, and just decided that it's not even worth pursuing, maybe. Hard to say, hard to say. So yeah, it is kinda gonna be sorta a Dark Souls of Dominoes, I guess, in a way. In a way. So we need to... so hand on ready. Should we do it that way? So when the hand is ready, we draw. And that's it. I wonder if it's gonna be like simultaneously, and that's gonna... Nah, probably not. I don't think it's that PP again. The layout stuff. True. True. Goes to the very bottom there. Alright. Fine. That will do. Alright, so we will need to get the list of all the dominoes childs. But then we get some random ones from there. And we're gonna make them move to the hand. Well, at least maybe at first can do the teleporter out, then can make them move there, you know, visually, I guess. So let's see. I guess hand and on ready, we're gonna just do it. How'd it go? Like, we will need to draw later too, eh? I should probably call it, I guess, first. There'll be maybe mulligan at some point. Maybe just call it mulligan or something. Like the first draw, basically. Well, or like first draw. Right, so I guess like already we are getting the list, right? How does that work? So already a var domino pile, let's say. Domino pile. So we'll need to get the list for that stuff. How will that work? How will we declare this one? Okay. Yeah, would it be like the new maybe? Yeah? Is it the same? Is it the similar stuff? New who? What do we have for the list is there? Item list. Oh, it's item list for. Okay, I see. That's for the tile set there. I think so. Clip children. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right. Let's see how shall it be, yeah? Let's... Okay, this is just using outright the brackets, alright. But this simple. Alright, so wait, it's gonna be just like this way. Or do we need some sort of like specific also declaration for that and everything? Let's see. The get children is there. Get children returns all the children of the node as an array. So is that actually instead of the list is the good way to do it? Is that the 5-head way to do it then? So can we just go... some item and get can we do let's say dominoes? No, not really. Well, I mean it kinda should though still, right? Dominoes get children. Just this way. Oh, and that's not the case there. And it's probably also not this way either. Or wait a second. It can be wait. Can we do like don't get children dominoes this way though? No, probably not. What was the path of this one? Okay, so this only goes Boolean in, alright. Array node. Get children. Okay, that ain't it then. How we call the functions and objects, alright. To get the children, is it? Wait. It's like they get children over. Oh, this one is Boolean. That's not the one. I already know that. So we need to get like some stuff here. Where is gonna be looking for it, I guess. The object dot function, alright, so that's the same stuff here, alright. Well, I mean, dude, like, I don't know. For you, it's a given. For me, not really. For me, not really. Well, we probably don't even need this then. Or do you still need to use this also for it? At least it's not trying to mold out about the things not being written properly. So that's already good. That's something. So this one will be the returns the array then. So we will need should we just move it then? So like get that some random number from the size of the from the array, and then change the transform of that number in the array then to move it in. Or should you just make it into like the switch the parent then to the hand one? And move that also. I wonder, that probably is more right. We can actually, well, I mean, you should be able to. So it just switches to the hand that way then. So we'll need to get some random data. Okay, and already we also will need to do it. So we need to roll 5. Well, let's say 5, I guess. Can make like the parameter for that actually also, if that will be modified later. The variable for that. So we can change that, the amount of draws and everything. And affect that too. But I mean, for now, I guess just need to go with 5 probably. Start with 5 for now. So when ready, okay, let's see. And the random number. Oh, there's actually the shuffle there. Huh. There is actually the shuffle thing here, right? So wait, can we just... Well, the shuffle should, to be honest, happen... Okay, what if we... Oh, wait a second. What if we try this way then? So populating, can we shuffle that? I mean, we still need to make the list first before we can shuffle, I guess. So maybe we'll make this the list actually here and then shuffle it. Wonder this will be kind of actually like easier to see if that will work. Just want to see how that works. So we get already child, so that's probably not the way it should be done here, I assume. More we need to get, I guess, in the beginning there too. You are going to forget and get child call. What do you want more than this one then? Let's get child now. There should be multiple ones there already. Probably need to define that somewhere earlier. Guess we get the draw pile in here and then we shuffle. I think I want to do it this way. Okay, we chalk it and see one here though then. Got the other message. Yeah, that's what I was reading. Expect at least one, but receive 0. But that did work. That did work before, though. That was the bull here. It expects that one was for what exactly? Oh, wait a second. Oh yeah, of course. Bigger. Kirk. Well, yeah, that was. Well, that was. Swoopy big about there. And then we just can. Technically. Like this. For shuffle, we need. Man. Okay, so that ain't it then. When you go this way? Because like the comment was there? No, I doubt that's the case. Oh, is it like because of the it goes in the VAR now section, right? So we need to this. Oh, okay. I see how it is. PPA, it was going in the VAR section there. I wonder how it will display actually then. Okay, this I don't need for now. A null value there. Interesting. Well, fine. For now, we don't need that. We'll deal with this later. Well, it doesn't shuffle them physically here in the positioning though, but the list did shuffle then. So at least that kind of worked. Well, supposedly. I'll need to maybe like print that stuff just to check how it worked. If it worked. It'd be kind of nice if it would be shuffling all those boys there too. But yeah, their position is... Their positioning is not gonna. I'm not gonna shuffle that way. Okay, so this way is gonna be... The list is shuffled there. But then we need to get that list in this one. So how do we pass it? How do we pass it down then? Let me see actually. Can you just print them this way? And then we just want to see how that works. Oh well, it did. Okay, so it goes like the list of IDs then even. All right, let's see. Didn't shuffle. No, well, yeah, it does. At least it does look like it did shuffle. All right, so that goes with the. With the list then. A funky string for a dominator printed in a for loop. All right. Let's see. Well, I mean, I just kind of wanted to see if it actually gets the list and if it actually shuffles it, which kind of did seem like it does. Yeah, seems like it. Should be 28, right? So like 7 and 7 rows, 4 columns. So that is fine, and they all get shuffled. So at least that's good. At least that's good, huh? So it actually gets the object, which is nice. Just not very red friendly. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, I just wanted to see how it works, and that actually may be even better. So it actually the list of the objects, so we can already like pick them and change their transform that way. I just need to pass that to this script. So how do we? So we need to kind of like do. This domino pile should be some domino pile from another script. And we maybe should kind of call it differently here, I guess. So can we do the... like some sort of a get script or something? No, probably not. How was that even? The Unity there. So we just need to pick... We actually shuffled it already, so we just need to pick like first 5, let's say. So we just need to pause the list here, and then we just get the first 5. Can switch the first 5 to a different parent probably. And transform them so they move there to the new parent. So how do we... Is there some like good script or something? It was playing field 1, right? Technically. Playing field is in there. Get script. And probably not exactly the way. Get script, and what we do in this one. Get script something. Kinda doubt it. Kinda doubt that's the way. Okay, we get script, and then we get some of the stuff from that script. Or is it not the Poogie way to do it? Oh, so there's also instances and everything, alright. I wonder if that will be the good way to do it. I see that the way. Oh, 1 second. One moment. Now that shouldn't be the case though. Yeah, one second, gonna change that stuff. What was it? It was. I don't think it's the keys though. I mean, Huxer is subbed already, so that's not supposed to be the problem though. Okay, 1 second. I can switch that for now, I guess. Why not? You were able though to chat before though, Reva. So, and I think I did have it in sub only before, did I not? It could be the case. I mean, 1 sec, I can switch that. Dude, how annoying is UI and this shit? Holy dude. It's absolute dog water. Wait, can I? Okay, I should be able to. I think you can't even like switch it live. Huh? No, I can. Okay, found it. Found it. Alright, sure. There you go. Got it. Wasn't enabled before. Alright. Well, maybe it wasn't. Alright, fine, sure. I mean, I'm down, I guess. Why not? Why not? There it is. No, so it wasn't before. You're in approved there. Yeah, but like, is this the stuff you need to do with like signals or something? Yeah, Zebra's helping, man. Zebra's helping. Oh, Zebra be good. Download global script that is accessible for everyone. All right. Let's see. So kind of like reading the... what was the name already of all those? I forgot. Kind of like it was in Unity in a way. Node initialized before the playing field. Alright. Oh yeah, that isn't. That isn't really. Scene and remote on top. And the scene and remote. Alright, sure. Actually, was still running. Bigger. A remote. Yeah, so this one initializes the first then. Oh wait, that's where you see them all. Okay, that's actually okay. It shows here. Right. That's all the nodes created there. Let's see. This how it goes. All right. Yeah, so what would be what is the 5 headway though? The 5 headway. Well, that's what I want to see. So we're gonna the grabbing the data will be here, down here. Yeah. So like we generate the pile on the playing field. And then Hand is going to basically grab stuff from that pile on the first draw. Maybe from bottom up actually. Wait, so you get from Hand, I won't be able to do it. Well, if you just run it already, alright. Well, is the signal is a good way to do it here. So like when the pile is created and fully formed and shuffled, we just kinda, you know, sort of send this pile into the air, I guess. Like this. So what if we make script draw, and in that script we're also gonna add the parameter how many to draw, and then we take that many from the list, the array that we got, and serve that to whoever requested them. Would that be the POG then? So we can actually like use that function for different things then, just like the draw function basically. Oh, so it gets the hand node and use the list like that. I was just thinking that I see. Yeah, I was just thinking maybe like from how you first said them, getting the like the function here that would be like the draw function, And the parameter will be, you know, how many we want to draw. And then we basically just call that function. If we can, though, of course, I guess. So from hand, we call that function, the draw function. Then like draw 5, for example, and then on like the whenever we will need it, it's gonna be drawing like 1 at a time, let's say. It's like playing field, we get like the
Gods ain't gonna help you, son. You'll be sorry for what you've done. Them gods gonna hurt you, son, when you play with a loaded gun. When you play with a loaded gun, they ain't gonna
kind of this way, and then we
get you when you fall. You'll be pleased.
so the get hand returns the variable. So we need to what is the is it just also return here, or is it something else there? Yeah, will it? Put it in real quick. Yep. Because it also just return here, and the return, and the return is just the finale, and we need to return a group in expression. Or is it some other stuff here that we use? Well, we need to return. So basically we have the draw pile as in draw pile as array. Second playlist. Oh, playlist actually goes to Oblivion itself. Damn son, let's go. Damn down. It knows what I need in my life. Yeah, the list was shuffled. Like the list is shuffled already, so I just need to like return like draw pile. How do we return not one but like multiple ones? Or do we need like new variable that will have multiple ones? Oh yeah, so that's gonna only happen like since it's like bottom to top, it's gonna happen all way too late. Oh yeah, you mean in this way? Okay. I see. So draw pile. Well, what if we? I'm not sure. So might be the situation when it doesn't even exist, right? If it goes bottom to top. I was thinking just like moving this completely. No. Yeah, that's literally just the objects here on the table, the stones. So they get created here. So like we made this is basically the stone. Then we just instantiate those. on the table, and this kind of like this is the parameters, the numbers on the stones pretty much. So it generates the pile that is on the pile of objects on the table. So if it goes like bottom to top, then like until it loads the very top, like all the stones, they don't even exist technically. Sounds kind of weird, huh? Dominoes is the like the parent where all the little dominoes get created. So yeah. And that's the instantiated domino stones here. And draw pile is actually like literally just the list of the nodes, which would be kind of convenient to pass it that way, I guess, because then we can just change them and do whatever with them. So we make one. Reflect what's on the table. Alright, so this one we add even here probably. Is it already or not even? Because that's probably not something we do for the function here. I assume. The problem is it gets all generated already though. And should I maybe generate them even before? Somehow? But I don't know how you even do it. What is faster than already then? Yeah, save that is somewhere where others can grab it. Yeah, that reasonable. Well, I kind of thought it would be draw pile, but yeah, draw pile I guess is only in this one. I see, okay. You also had already, or is like not really even super necessary? Just only to make sure, right? Without the word finished, yeah. So we can... this is the one you defined outside, alright. So then now can we just return it? But we need to return only the list up to the draw amount then. Is there some like sort of a way to do it? Or additional variable for that? And that will get that. Yeah, I mean, since we shuffle them, I think yeah, you can just draw any really. So the most simple way probably, preferably actually from the top. Well, we kind of don't really know exactly yet, I guess, what kind of what the stock gonna look like after shuffling really. See, we just need to kind of pick the one that is on the top. So that's actually an interesting question. I guess the last on the list. And the thing is, it kind of like it creates the list, but it doesn't really, you know, even shuffling the list doesn't really shuffle the position of the dominoes though. In the hierarchy. Which on one hand kind of doesn't really matter that much, but actually it doesn't really matter that much. The pile is kind of just symbolic, it's just not even gonna be like anything crazy there. Just one rectangle, I guess. For domino in draw amount -1. Alright. And return. Yeah, domino is our it is object name, alright. Okay, that I see. And what we're gonna be returning then? Just return like domino, basically. Do the loop first, alright. Wait, so for domino in draw amount -1, we do who? Okay, the indentations there. Oh, so we're gonna be filling the other list for that. Okay, I see. Like odd or something? Or how does it go here? Yeah, this above the loop. Alright. And then we just like use the odd here. How does that work? Oh, okay, like this. The empty array, empty list. Use the code, or how does that go here? I forgot a bunch of that stuff in C, and here I didn't even know in the first place, so I am kind of clueless at times. Most of the time. Append, alright. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then we can just return just drawn dominoes basically. Pop the objects from the original list. Yeah, true. I need to be removed from there. Yeah, we need to remove them from there also. So how about... we just get the draw pile on. Loop using range draw amount. Oh, in... okay, yeah. True. How we did in the previous one. Wait, will it understand here that it's supposed to be, you know, the one from the draw pile list? Or it's gonna take like all the dominoes? Because that I assume just takes all the dominoes, right? Yeah, it would be kind of nice to have only those, I guess, that are in the draw pile. Is that? So we can just get the dominoes from the draw pile specifically. And then while we're adding them to the new list, we can be kind of removing them from the old list, for example. Maybe stuff from an array this way is a bit uglier. A draw pile erase domino. Okay, let's try. Why not? I mean, it's object, so technically it kinda should, eh? So it's gonna be just the null instead, though, then? If it's just the null, that kinda also not that bogey, because we don't want to draw a null eventually there. Wait, iterating over ins before? Pop back and pop front on the array. Yeah, how did that work? And the pull back and pop front. So it takes like some amount from like the beginning and some amount from the end. A draw pile actually an array. I think get children should return array. I think it should. Wait, what was it? I think it was. Oh wait, it removes the element and returns it. Oh, okay, that's good then. So then we do for domino in range, we do drawn domino. No, not drawn dominoes. Or like drawn dominoes. No, drawn dominoes append. Oh, is that how it goes? Append this way. Let's try. So it's going to be automatically removed from the first array. All right. So it just deletes it from the first one and gets it in this. Yeah, that sounds kinda convenient then. Let's just test also first. Well, we didn't call the function, so obviously it didn't print shit because it wasn't called. All right, there it is. Well, it's just objects, but yeah. And they do be shuffled. Yeah, seems like it. Okay, good. Huh? Now we're just gonna call for it from the hand function. Oh, it's forgetting to stop it. Metadata rate is to print. Well, I mean, just kind of like to test how it works, but I mean, so that is not the right way to do it. So now from the hand, now we need to get that function there. Oh, I could actually also test if it did. Well, I mean, I assume it did work. That it did remove the what's the name? The elements from the array that we had before, and the draw pile one. I assume that did work. And then the playing field script, I think so. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the good idea here to yeah to get the separate. Yeah, for like architecture wise, I'm not sure. So you kind of enlighten me on that. I kind of just thought it's like yeah, because like the hand is gonna be dealing with like the playing field will be dealing with the draw pile and what's played on the table. And while the hand is gonna be our like handling the draw. Well, even though like the draw we kind of did add to the playing field too, to be honest, already. And now that it's there, we also already got it there. So the draw machine is also sort of in the playing field already now. So I guess maybe. Well, I mean, I could try. Just for science here. Game node is the root node that holds the logic for the game. So like all the scripts are gonna be basically kind of like in attached to one node. Because like in Unity we were attaching like pretty much like all the scripts were like the scripts being were attached mostly to the objects we had. The logic is in like the what's the name? Kind of like the what was the name of that one even? Like the state machine or whatever it was. Yeah, like in the top level, so everything can access it. But like everything else, we were attaching still to, like different objects, kinda. I mean, here I can see though, yeah, because we're already kind of like handling the draw in here. Makes it easier or harder to get something. I mean, true. Well, I mean, technically we can like we can just do it out of you know, curiosity to see, and then just like do it here, I guess. Whatever. Can do it here, whatever. Well, let's see. So wait, just to try real quick if it will actually work that way. So a draw dominant to the hand script if you like that better. Yeah, that's the thing. I think maybe yeah, maybe that actually kind of does make sense to have it all together there in one script. That might be true. That might be true. Like now that I think, is there any benefit to kind of like splitting it as a separate sort of hand script? It kind of doesn't. But I want to just try now to see how we call it, so I kind of know, I guess, since we're on that topic, you know. Usually be the part of the game state in general. True. That is true. Well, I mean, technically, that currently kind of is, in a way, I guess, like kind of the main script. So this is where we generate the stones that are in the play. And that's we arrange them in the draw pile, shuffle the draw pile, and handling the draw itself. So like parent to get parent. How do you address the script then? So we gotta kind of go. Just get parent like this. And then so we get the parent then. How do we address this the script in some node? There was get script, but what if there's like multiple ones? What's the 5-head away? I just want to try. I'm probably gonna go audit in the one script though. That will be better indeed. Oh, just like that already? Oh, okay. That's simple. Oh, that was the raw Rodovina, right? So this one, let's. So it's gonna return. So we probably need to like it returns. We need to put that return into something though, right? I assume. So it should be another. Or I guess we just kind of like print it. Playing field initialize later. Huh? Yeah, probably. Null, yeah. Yeah, pop front and base null. So it can't even... Yeah, it can't even like... Can't pop anything because there is nothing to pop yet. And nothing to pop for him, I guess, yeah. So this didn't happen yet. That's an interesting way of things, really. Yeah, so there is no ready, so there is no dominoes yet. Interesting. Yeah, so if like you add like some scripts that interact with some logics in like, you know, kind of like on higher level scripts, then they don't even do shit. It's kind of that wasn't the same in Unity, right? Yeah, that was kind of other way around in Unity, you know, like the first from the top to bottom it goes, huh? That's kind of like, I don't know, weird way, I guess. It's like from children to parent. That's an interesting order. There's some like logic behind that order. What's the point? Yes, we will need probably to put the script in the same script then, because yeah, our draw pile is not even populated until playing field is ready. Yeah, that's an interesting one, huh? So you kind of want to actually like start like, you know, doing some action in the in way like later nodes or way like lower nodes. Huh? But yeah, that's kind of, I don't know, just kind of like weird for my brain for now to get the logic behind that. Like, why would you do it that way? So you just need to kind of like basically like plan sort of like the tree, the architecture, and start like adding from like somewhere down here and then just going up from there. Seems kind of weird, eh? Well, I mean, I guess we're just like gonna do it in... Can you just remove them? Can you? All right, so then we kind of do it here. Fine. So we're still can keep the function. That's gonna be nice because, you know, we can draw through it technically more. Just can draw like first hand 5, then like other hands will be like draw 1 on the button press, for example, when you run out of dominoes or something. So that's kind of good. Let's see. So we need... well, actually, since we're drawing, we might as well also like move them. So we append them to the drawn dominoes. I guess like maybe a hand even then. I mean, technically I don't even... I mean, I guess maybe we still need some sort of like hand list what's in the hand. I guess is kind of nice to have, probably. So maybe we're just gonna be assigning that to hand. I don't know, maybe that's like unnecessary, but function, how do we call it? Like form hand, maybe. Well, we'll see what we're going to be adding to that one later. So... let's say this also a list right now. So from this one, the form hand, like maybe first hand actually. Or no, maybe shouldn't. Like on first when we I mean we could for now, I don't know, maybe just to see. Let's do already, we're just gonna do just like on start, just get the first hand. So draw domino 5. I wonder, should you like physically also move the dominoes in this function? Technically, like if we're doing the draw, we also moving them, I guess. Kind of thinking already about maybe like some dink manipulations with like the draw pile or something, but whatever. That will be. I will do that at some point. So can we do, for example? So it's currently domino, so... domino... Can we? We can. So we can just set position and start getting them in at the hand. Just to actually physically move them from the pile, sorta. Do this better. Might need to setting the position, probably not the best one here. That's all good, it's all good now. Maybe set position is not the best way here. But for now at least, kind of to see how it will work. We already did some moving here. I'm not sure if it'll be good. You also need to align them differently too. Immediately when the hand is ready. Yeah, I think at least for now. Like maybe later I'll come up with some other stuff. But I think I kind of want to do it this way, right? So like the game already starts. We have 5, you know, in the draw. And yeah, I want to get the like get them actually to physically move then to the hand. Hmm. Is there some sort of counter attach right now here? And then pass it to the hand. No, I mean for now I kind of just like I guess we're just gonna form the hand and stuff in the same script, I guess. Or there is like some other issue. So like hand we just gonna like whatever. Yeah, it is kind of like for now. Yeah, there's probably gonna be like some more complicated way to do it later, especially if there will be some like weird things going on, like you know, some modifiers. Like you're not gonna be drawing like you know like starting hand, not like 5, but it's gonna be something else. So it's gonna be like probably also function for that, like you know, like to form the hand. I kind of wanted already to write one down, but for now decided to just stick with this. Yeah, basically just like we already sort of kind of like make the list of dominoes, right? But I want them to just physically move to the hand, yeah. So like the hand field gonna have the dominoes moving here. So we're gonna have like 5 dominoes here in the play in the hand for now at least. Then we're gonna start doing other stuff with it. But for now, just physically move them. Set position kind of like probably not the best way, but I just kind of want like you know to see to get like some visual on that, I guess. Domino is not the object in that loop. Oh yeah, yeah, it is here. So yeah, that okay. I see. I do see that. Yeah, the draw. Okay, draw pile stuff. Yeah. I see. So we need then. Well, I mean, then we just kind of can get the current. Yeah, it's an index. Yeah. Should name it this way. Like this. Oh no. I need something else there. But yeah, like, so this is just a number then, which actually, so we do get the number, right? That's good. That actually is good. So, reparent, yeah, reparenting, yeah, okay, so there is a reparent. So if we reparent, they're just gonna move there. So So can we like do this way then? Store pop domino inside the var, a reparent to the V-box. Is it the some specific type of node that we get there? Box, V-box, H-box. All right. At least it should, eh? Well, we'll see. On the console without trying to visualize it yet. Otherwise, be quite complicated. Think so? Okay, the containers are, I see. Quite complicated. Quite complicated. Well, I mean, on the logic, the data level, we kind of do get it. We get the hand. Well, I mean, sorta, right? Like we do have the drawn dominoes. We return them, so we can like basically just, you know, hand equals drawn dominoes for now at least. So we kind of got the draw. We got the hand. So I think kind of actually having some graphical representation would be already kind of nice. Traverse the nodes quite a bit into other nodes and such. I mean, actually, like, I don't draw the object, but rather the reference to the object. I think actually in this on the references, I thought this way would do kind of get the actual objects here. Like it was literally getting these nodes there. Pop the object from the array. So this, that is actually true. That is actually true. Yeah, that's I think why like reparenting or something should work. I think. So like every object that is in draw pile, it goes like logically, right, in the drawn dominoes, which is kind of our hand logically, but physically it's still gonna be there. And yeah, I was kind of like thinking about also in the same time while we adding the object to hand, also to, you know, physically kind of like move it to hand sort of there. The box is the parent now, yeah. I don't know if it's a good way to do it in terms of like, you know, like the dominoes, like they're in draw pile, then they go to the hand, so they reparent towards the hand. But then when we play them, for example, on the table, like we're gonna be reparenting them again, I guess then. Like back to the table, or maybe like some sort of like playing field box already. Is that the good way to do it? But I mean, yeah, let's try. Oh yeah, that was the same stuff in Unity also, right? I remember now. Oh yeah, that actually is kind of nice. So it actually even like I was thinking how to do them, you know, like this keeps them a bound based on like the parameter here, I guess, to space with the positioning, but that will make it even easier then. So we just adjust them and they all gonna be horizontally aligned there. Wait, so how do we address the can we just basically... like this, and then it's like, what is like... is that it's just literally repairing? No? I guess even? Time for some errors, but that's fine. Pop front nil. Wait, where are we? Oh, you. Oh, no, I didn't delete it. Why are you? Why are you like this now? You did draw dominoes there, so why are you like that? Yeah, I think I might be still calling something from... yeah, I deleted the script though completely. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait, the draw pile here. Because this one... oh wait, do we need to get it here? Oh yeah, of course, because of... or no. Or is it? Wait, just this way? So you like if it's counters, you just do this? Huh? The pop domino in the war between. Okay. Convention name is something you're not using. Well, it actually kind of fucked things up though. Oh, yeah, right. Well, the usual stuff. Fine. Yeah, the E is familiar. The I is familiar. Okay, wait, so, the variable not used by them. Okay, I see. Yeah, wait, like, no, we don't call for it anywhere else, right? Drawn dominoes, the draw pile there. Draw pile dominoes get shown. No, I think the error is going even like before that though, no? And the pop front and like the draw pile doesn't exist here. For some reason yet. See it? Aren't using the index. Getting the object by doing pop. Yeah. Well, it's like this drawn dominoes append, so it basically creates the... actually, yeah, I guess not. So it adds and becomes like, if it's like 0 here, right? So we recreate drawn dominoes 0 object here, like the first one through here. So I assume you can still can call it that way here. It actually worked before though. Why are you molding about this now? I did make it to work. I did make it work. So which one are we sticking here? Not using I. I get it. Object we're getting in the war. Alright. So we're going with the underscore, or are we going with the capitalization? What's the right way here? The right convention here? I think it's gonna be nil again, though. Yep. Like, that wasn't the problem. That wasn't the problem. I feel like my shit maybe even would work. Like, there's no problem, like, it's nulling here. Like, it again doesn't, you know, doesn't pop the right thing. So for some reason it worked here. Don't even have the draw pile, yeah. Is it because it's only it only gets created on ready, or it's empty? Yeah. Or do we need to still? No. So it basically just gets created here, sorted until then we can't even do shit about it. How did it work before? Remove the on ready. And just get the wardrobe pile. We'll need to do it here then. It was here before. Only the one already. Okay, I see. See what you mean. No, still the same. Still null there. Okay, what before though? Like, I shouldn't call it too early. Like, it should already be. Oh, wait a second. Wait, why? Wait. Oh, is the yeah? Okay, yeah. I see what it is. Yeah, should all work fine. That's the old stuff. Classic. Wait, what? Oh, it's this. Wait, is the same? Yeah, is this? Is still the hand script? Wait, how do we even fucking remove it then? I don't need you. Why are you here? Why are you here and why? Here? Unlink it. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay. There we go. That's better. All right. That's, well, I mean, it kind of for some reason skipped the spacing, but I mean, that's something. Scroll with red X left side. This one, there was this one, right? But I thought I deleted it from here already. I mean, for some reason, like, was in cache still or something. Alright, so that actually did do the thing, and it did take the different ones. So it's still okay. I guess you just need to set the spacing in like each box properties, though, right? Oh yeah, because each box is small, of course. Put her up. Wait. On this? This, right? Uh-huh, okay. I see it now. So now there is no script shown, I guess, right? Yeah, just didn't, the each box is not the right size. Still doesn't do the spacing, but yeah, I guess we just do some of the settings here. Is it the pivot offset? No. It's just terrible. Alright. Theme overrides. Separation, this one. What do we have? The size there is it like 100 now? 100 is probably too much. Let's go 80. Alright, that seems about right. So 3-4 yoinked, good. 1-5, 2-6, 6-6 from here, and 3-3 from here. All right, yeah, that does seem like it does things now. All right, so we actually be drawing this stuff. Yeah, there they are. And I assume they are out of here now too. Well, I mean, they should be because physically moved. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Container sizing and set it to fill. Let's see, where is it? That would be kind of useful indeed. What is that? Ordering texture material. Oh. Well, it doesn't show that stuff there. Doesn't do it that way, apparently. It probably is somewhere though. Yeah, that should be like, what's the name? Like, you know, like stretch, all that stuff, I assume should be there. Oh, because he not using control. Ah, I see, alright. I mean, that's fine. For now, at least. So now... Next step will be to try to make those kinda, you know, movable. At least that. And then maybe get some sort of a field where we're gonna be actually dropping them. So we can actually drop them on the table. At least for now. Then we'll get them, you know, to actually do something too when we drop them on the table. Hopefully. So that's gonna be the next step. That'll be tomorrow. That will be tomorrow. So I'm just gonna make them interactable and start dropping them. That will be at least something. Wait, why is it like this? Hmm. There we go. Okay, good. Huh? So I guess I moved it accidentally. Alright, nice. So we did get that. Wait, 6-6. Like always 6-6. It's some saucy stuff. Probably not. Okay, not always good. Huh? Truffle is good. And then yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get like some field. So we can actually drag them on the field. Maybe I should actually make like this. This one is like, I don't know if you need to though, really. I could also get like the box actually for this one though. Here, just for the draw, box for hand, and then some sort of box here. And here you don't need to, because here they're gonna be kind of more random, I guess. Since we're gonna need to like play them and connect them, which also gonna be the whole different fiesta to make it all snap. I remember those things in Unity, how fun that was. To make it all like smoothly, you know, fall into sockets and snapping probably gonna be even more dank. Especially since you also need to snap them only with matching numbers and stuff, all that fun shit. That's gonna be the next step. That's gonna be the next step. Tomorrow we're gonna make them actually droppable on the board. So it would be like the smart way then to reparent them again. Like, so you like when you drop them somewhere, they just like parent this new field. Or become children of that new field, I guess, when we drop them. Then we do something there. And we can keep them children here, just move them. Gonna see how that is. That's nice though. It is pretty nice so far. It is pretty nice so far. Tomorrow we get more progress. Tomorrow we get more progress then. See ya, like tomorrow, then next weekend already. So you're gonna be weekends. At least like Saturday, Sunday, I'll try for sure. Sometimes Friday too. We will know. I mean, I will try more because I do like it. As for now, I don't know, like, I feel like, you know, kind of like having some sort of more, like, direction and everything already kind of is good. Because, like, with Unity stuff, it was still kind of like this, like, weird, abstract, obscure thing that I was kind of, like, coming up on the go. Sort of, even though I guess it still kind of was interesting and I still kind of want to maybe at some point return to something like that. But this, at least, you can start with, like, just basic dominoes and then, like, try to change it into something a little more dank. Gonna on some not just the numbers, but some more dank stuff, some modifiers and everything. So this one has like some sort of, you know, steps to it. So easier to break it into different steps to do. So tomorrow we'll make them interactable and droppable somewhere. Then next time it's gonna be trying to make them like snap, do some sort of checks for the numbers and everything, if they should snap or they shouldn't work together. and should just get back to the hand and stuff. Which again also gonna be probably a fiesta. I remember when we were doing it, when the slot doesn't match and it just like returns to your hand and everything. That's also gonna be something to do, I guess. Gonna be something too. But yeah, at least we did some steps. That is good. That is good. Alright. Alright. So yeah, gonna be calling it now then. It's already like almost 9 here. Gonna just drink some tea. Get that Fortnite match to get my power armor skin soon. Feels good, man. And ESO also started the event again, another event. And more stuff to grind, man. The live service gaming, man. Live service gaming. There's always some shit going on. Ain't no rest for the weekend. For the weekend too, actually. For the weekend and for the weekend. The grind ain't gonna grind itself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the Pipiega learning experiences. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. The West be all like googling the tutorials and everything, which I mean is a good thing too. But it's nice when you can live bounce things around a bit. That is always good. That is always good, more helpful. So yeah, tomorrow gonna be the usual morning stream. Gonna do some 76 in the morning, do dailies, maybe some Dread Delusion if there is time. Then we're gonna do gaming news recap, and then we're gonna be here. We'll see. The gaming news recap sometimes kind of takes a while, so we'll see how it will go. Maybe evening stream will be a bit kind of shorter on YouTube. I just don't want to go like too much into the night, because then I go to bed late, then I wake up late, and then my morning is kind of like, you know, the productive time, and I need to get the VODs still, you know, on YouTube. It's like such a pile with all those like the show's code streams and all the demos I played. Every highlight needs to be, you know, split, and that's Twitch player we're talking about, you know, so it's very interesting experience that make me mad sometimes. And then you like just thankfully press the button and it all goes to YouTube. But then on YouTube you still need to set the title and everything, so it's like a lot of small things, but when it's a big pile of shit, then it, you know, takes some time. So I need some mornings for that too. Can't go full degen. But yeah, that will be tomorrow then. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for helping with the Godot experience. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Just like it was with Unity, very educational, very interesting. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your evening. See you all tomorrow. I love you all, guys. Bye bye.